all right. Let's start getting into it. Oh, am I being lazy today? I'm going to tell you what. We're going to cover the news today thanks to ChatGPT because I don't feel like reading. Anyways, what is up, Flip Coins? How you doing, Savage? Welcome back. Welcome back. You sold 80% of your LDO at the top. Nice, not bad. What's up, DZ? How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, I'm doing great, guys. I'm doing great. Little man's doing good. I'm doing good. We're all good. So let's dive into the news.
As of February 12th, 2025, the cryptocurrency landscape has seen several notable developments.
Yo, what's up, Brad? How you doing?
World Liberty Financial establishes Strategic Token Reserve. World Liberty Financial, WLF, a crypto platform backed by President Donald Trump, announced the creation of a strategic token reserve to support major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Almost bedtime,
This
Brad.
initiative aims to reduce market volatility and invest in decentralized finance projects. The Trump family holds a majority stake in WLF, aligning with their broader crypto ventures, including the launch of the Trump meme coin. Site Turn News 90. Robinhood reports significant increase in crypto trading revenue. Robinhood reported a substantial increase in fourth quarter profit, exceeding expectations due to a surge in trading activity post-Donald Trump's re-election. The company's transaction-based revenue saw a substantial rise of 236% year-over-year, reaching $672 million, largely driven by a 700% increase in crypto trading revenue. Bitcoin's rise towards the $100,000 mark fueled the growth amid optimism about pro-business policies under the new administration. Byte Turn News 22. Binance and SEC request pause in legal proceedings. Binance and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, have jointly requested a 60-day pause in their ongoing lawsuit. This move follows the formation of a new SEC task force aimed at developing crypto regulations, signaling a potential shift toward a more crypto-friendly approach under President Trump's administration. The outcome of this pause could lead to significant changes in the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency exchanges. Site Turn News 25.
I got you, DZ.
Bitcoin's market dominance continues. Bitcoin's price experienced a modest increase, rising by 1% to $96,181, though it remains below its record high of $109,000. In contrast, other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and XRP have faced declines, with Ethereum remaining stable and XRP falling by 0.8%. Investors are closely monitoring economic indicators such as the upcoming Consumer Price Index report, which could influence Federal Reserve decisions and impact cryptocurrency markets. Challenges in crypto-backed real estate ventures. In Detroit, renters in properties owned by Realty, a cryptocurrency-based real estate venture, are reporting significant maintenance issues and difficulties in management communication. Realty sells fractional ownership of properties via cryptocurrency tokens, but tenants have faced problems like mold, broken utilities, and eviction threats despite timely rent payments. The company is working to address these challenges amid financial and legal hurdles. WAD Site Turn News 21 on Navlist Key Developments in Cryptocurrency on February 12th, 2025, Turn News 19.
Alrighty. So that is all the current news of the day, and that was the greatest laziness I could have ever done. I love it. Yeah, Sam Altman, it's still free. It's just, it limits the amount you can talk to it. And considering the amount that I use it, I decided to spring for the $20. Sounds like they're China owned. Maybe. Who knows? Let's see. You want to check out ADA and XRP? I got you, Savage. No big deal. No big deal. I got you. You saw some headlines, Brad, that XRP ETF could be approved as early as tomorrow. I mean, it was acknowledged by the SEC. That was about it. So it's like the XRP army, they're gonna grasp at some hopium and they're gonna reach for the stars for that shit. It is insane. So you gotta watch out what the XRP army says. Just watch out. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump into red one. Sometimes he drives. Oh, you're talking about Sam Altman has a McLaren F. He has a red one. Sometimes he drives it around San Francisco from South San Francisco. Crazy. How about Flux? Philip, we'll check out some Flux. Flux. LTC will get an ETF first. XRP ain't getting a no ETF until lawsuit's settled. Probably not. Probably not. I missed when you used to read to us. Rich, this is the first time I didn't read to you. I read to everybody earlier. I don't want to do that right now. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive on into this. So, starting out, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the 1 hour is sending me all those weird mixed messages again. Because you know what? We had the hidden bullish divergence, and then we got the lower low. And it's like, well, I guess hidden bullish divergence is out, but it did give us bullish divergence. So we popped on up anyways. But I hate it when they do that to me. I hate it. This was a liquidity grab. For anybody who's wondering, this right here, this wick, that is a liquidity grab. They were stopping out anyone with excessively high leverage. That is all you need to know. Excessively high leverage got stopped out with this wick low. So anyways, we can take this out, and we are now focused on a bit more upside. Likely to see 101,299. That is a likelihood from here on. There are reports out there that the over-the-counter exchanges, they are starting to run dry on Bitcoin. So what is going to happen is a supply shock. So we are expecting things to go up. Doug wants Toshi, XCN, and Everdome. There's an Everdome? What is that? We'll check it out. Toshi, XCN, and Everdome. Is it a part of the Velodrome family? I feel like it is. Anyways, so looking at it on the 4 hour. 4 hour still trending up. This is a nice site. We are confirmed breakout. This is good. Don't you worry, Brad. We will be looking at Ethereum as well. Oh yeah, I didn't announce what coins I wanted us to look at. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin, Ondo, Ethereum, Kava, ADA, HBAR, XRP, and HNT. The reason why we're looking at HNT is because right now the amount of people watching the live stream is almost the same as the amount of people who saw the video from earlier today. So, distinctively, you guys aren't looking at them. Anyways, going out to our daily for Bitcoin, we are still above that 100 simple moving average. We did get a bullish engulfing candle. Let's see if we can finally get some follow through to the upside. It would be nice. It would be nice. Checking out our liquidation heat map on the 24 hours for Bitcoin. It's like a flip of a coin out here where we could go. Currently, they could grab a lot of liquidity to the downside, but noted, there's still some up top. There's still some up top. We would be in a lot of danger if we got down to $96,904, because then that's when the cascading liquidations could start happening. However, if they push it up to 98,513, we could start to see that short squeeze playing out. Anyways, looking at our weekly time frame, there is so much liquidity right overhead. It just makes sense for them to try and steal it. Makes sense for it. Anyways, we're going to see if it happens. We need that follow through. Keep in mind, technically speaking, the bearish divergence on the daily technically has reset. So they can send this thing up. They can. Yo, can we look at TA on Microsoft, please? I got you covered, Outlaw. We'll look at Microsoft. Microsoft. Pi Network. Every time we look at Pi Network, it does literally nothing, but I guess we'll look at Pi Network. We'll check out some Pi. I want to YOLO into something to keep my life interesting. Crispy Lifestyles. We all understand that. Want to check out Hood, Brad? Alright, we'll check out some Hood. Okay, Dome. Oh, so it's called Dome. Got it. Dome on Binance will be #1 in the metaverse. All-time high is 9 cents. Has not been in a bull run yet. On the low right now. Not bad. Can we look at B3? JB, I got you. B3, I got you. You know, this is definitely why we have the news section. You guys should have popped all these in there right then. Anyways, all right, so I'm going to start going through the other tokens that I want to bring up to you guys, and then we will get into all of these requests. Currently, the first request we're going to be looking at is Flux, because a member asked for that one. Then we will do everything else in order. Anyways, Ondo. So looking at Ondo right now, yesterday was looking pretty grim. Today, looking pretty decent. Pretty decent today. So we had a nice bullish candle. We are above our 50 and 100 simple moving average on Ondo. We're sitting in neutral territory on the relative strength. Ondo does have the capability of running up at this point. Your 4-hour time frame has retaken your 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Looks like it is struggling to stay above the 100. If we can get a daily candle close above 137.95 for tomorrow, you might actually see Ondo start to get a little bit of follow through. I'm looking for a 48% move to the upside if we get that follow through. ETH broke out? No, I have no idea. I haven't looked at the chart. We're going to be looking at it soon though. Render, we'll throw in Render. Render, got you covered. Shorter time frame? I don't know. We'll see, Rich. I don't know. I haven't looked at it. I've been playing with my son all day. Well, not really playing with him. Basically feeding him, holding him, and then letting him sleep. Ondo been so boring. Ranges 130, 150. You're right. It's been super boring. But understand, that's kind of what you want when you're coming out of a downtrend. Either come all the way down or just trade sideways until all of your indicators reset, and then you can start seeing that move to the upside. One thing you should really pay attention to on Ondo right here is the fact that you have extremely tight moving averages on the 4-hour. This could act as rocket fuel to the upside or to the downside. Considering I think the sellers, if they were going to sell it off, they had plenty of time to do it. This was the best they could do. Testing support back in this trading range. I think we're about to see a nice big move for Ondo. I just don't know when they're going to get it started, because we do have two targets, 48% upside or getting up to $3.08. They're going to try and bore you out. They're going to try and get you to sell off. They're going to try everything they can to make sure you do not gain wealth from this and you buy back later at a higher price. That is a guarantee. Wealthy people do not want to share the wealth, okay? Just understand that. They don't want to share. Anyways, let's move on to Ethereum. Can we check out Uniswap? Hell yeah, we can. I got you, Bleakheart. By the way, Uniswap is officially a layer 2 for Ethereum. ADA on the list. I'm on a short. Yes, ADA is on the list. So, checking out Ethereum, you are on a confirmed breakout right now. We are looking for Ethereum to possibly test some resistances here, but based off this move right here, we're looking for Ethereum to get up to $3,403. With the amount the big boys are buying up on Ethereum, I think it could do it. I really do think it can do it, because they are buying it like it's going out of style. Absolutely insane. Also, the gas fees on Ethereum's network came down tremendously, as low as 4 cents. If they can keep that going, well, now their chain is actually usable again. It makes all the sense in the world for them to start moving. If ETH pops off, wouldn't smaller alts pop off too? DZ, yes. Generally speaking, yes. But, as we've seen in this bull run, this time's a little different. We got to make sure we get the ones that the big boys are buying. Because if we don't, well, retail, we have found out, is the weakest ever. They are so weak this bull run, it is pathetic. So yeah, pay attention to what the big boys are buying, and they've been buying up Ethereum like it's going out of style. They've been going crazy. So Ethereum right now, we're still looking for $3,403. It is currently broken out. All you need to do is stay above 2,500, and it is completely in play. Someone said they would consider allowing staking on ETH. They already do have staking on ETH. Ethereum moved to proof of stake a long time ago. The only problem was with the spot ETFs. Now they're amending it to the point where they will be able to get staking rewards on the ETFs, and if that happens, this quickly goes from just a normal crypto spot thing to all of a sudden, oh, it's a dividend stock in those people's idea. So automatically they're going to keep feeding this thing non-stop so they can get passive income. So just understand the possibilities out there. Pulse chain would rip if ETH finally went. Probably everything will. Everything will. All right, let's go ahead and move on to Kava. Kava. Now, Kava, I am still in the trade. This is one of the longer trades I've been in. I'm not logged in. Excuse me? The fuck? The hell? 3 images with a bridge. Oh boy. Hold on. There you go. We're in. Alright. I didn't know I wasn't logged in. Had no idea. But alright, so we're currently up 61% on this 15x long on Kava, and we're just kind of waiting. We're just sitting back, waiting for it to do its thing. It's got a long road ahead. Long road ahead, because I'm looking for $1.19 on this one. Just waiting it out. But that is Kava. Zev, 0.04 cents would generally fix a lot of concerns with Ethereum. You're absolutely right, Ziff. You're absolutely right. Pulse Chain is a fork of ETH with some changes to make it better with direct tied, but is directly tied to Ethereum's price. That's cool. That's cool, Rich. I don't know. It's like with Hex. I never really got crazy about Pulse Chain. Meh. Why is it that Pulse Chain isn't on regular exchanges? That's one of the things I don't like. It's the fact that they're not getting listed on normal exchanges. They're just like, we are decentralized always.
Well, I accidentally opened it. Then.
Okay.
You didn't get your dinner, right?
No, not yet. It's gate kept. I just don't know why they do that. It's like, why do that? I don't understand. Can I take a look at Popcat? Sure. They don't like Richard. I guess they don't. It's getting Coinbase spot tomorrow. Sweet. Hex is a scam. Plain and simple. Yeah. A lot of people have that thought, but a lot of people made a lot of money off Hex. They made a lot of money off Hex. Anyways, moving along, checking out ADA. So I'm just waiting for Kava to really get moving. It just flipped all of its 4-hour moving averages. I'm waiting for another test down before it starts taking off. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out in the process, but hey, it could. It definitely could. Anyways, moving along, we have ADA. Once creators flexing Louis Vuitton bags, it's over. Oh boy. Alright, so ADA, great breakout here. You're consolidating. You got the 618 retracement. Beautiful. You could see this thing rally on up. So you're looking for, in the shorter term, getting up to 92.65. But in the little bit longer term, you could be looking at $1.02 and a break of your current downtrend. So right now, it is looking just fine. No problems here. You don't even have to worry about the idea of hidden bearish divergence because you are bullishly consolidating. So that's nice. That is really nice. Also, it's kind of like you double topped. Sort of like a double top. So you would still be very weary of this one until you actually get a nice break to the upside and stay up there. But ADA right now doesn't look too bad. I'm surprised the market's not still pumping because it is a full moon tonight. So I am surprised. Who knows? Maybe Asia's going to pump the markets for us. But we did have a decent day in the market today. We had a very decent day. Anyways, H-bar next. H bar right now, it is trying to start getting its footing, trying to start pushing its way up. You still have the worry of going to the downside because you are not broken out of your downtrend. Remember that. Until you're broken out, you are still bearish. You still have the idea that you could be coming all the way down to 7 cents. All right? That is still an idea until you break to the upside. So right now, H-bar not looking great, especially with how low below your 200 simple moving average you are on the 4-hour. This could get terrible for H-bar. We're going to have to wait and see what happens, but as of right now, I would still be looking for downside. Can we check out Not? Sure, Savage, got you. Not. All right. After that, we're going to check out some XRP. Want to check out Sol, Brad? I got you covered. Got you covered. Sol. So, XRP. Oh no, we still haven't broken to the upside and gotten to $5 or $6. Where the hell is that guy who came in here and said that within 4 days we were going to be at $5? Where is that son of a bitch? He lied to me. He lied. I can't even believe him. Frick, lying through his teeth. How dare he? How dare he? I'm still looking for XRP to come on down, possibly either 155 or 58 cents. I'm sticking to it. 58 cents. You guys keep hearing it here. 58 cent XRP for the people. For the people. Anyways, yeah. I'm just going to say it. XRP going to $10 tomorrow. Yeah, right? Right? That's exactly what's going to happen. Yeah. Fucking love it. Every time I get hate for XRP. And it's like, oh, what'd the price do compared to the rest of the market? Nothing. Okay. Cool. I'm really glad it took 4 days. I'm really glad by the Super Bowl we hit $5. Oh, I'm super glad a couple days after the Super Bowl we're at $10. Oh, XRP Army. Stop it. Just stop it. This is why you guys irritate me 99% of the time. XRP Army. And they're in full force out here. So all of you have seen it. Scroll through TikTok. Look up XRP. Just scroll through TikTok. You'll know. Thought it was 10 to 50K. Bro, it is everywhere right now. I mean, there's some dude out there talking about $60,000 per XRP. And I'm like, why would you say something like someone's going to believe you? Why? What? HNT. That's the thing that drives me nuts. I saw so much about it going thousands of dollars when it started to pump. Yes. Yeah. It was non-stop. And the first thing I said was take profits. This went up way too high, way too fast. Take profits. That was the #1 thing I was saying. Take your damn profits. Alright, checking out HNT right now. HNT tried to make a break to the upside. It failed. And yeah, now we're just consolidating. But as long as we stay above $3.01, this thing should go absolutely amazing. In the short term, I'm looking for $6.09. But over time would be the easiest thing to realize if we hit the golden retrace from its all-time high, which we're looking at about 752%. Reason being, they actually leveraged the T-Mobile network. I made an entire video about this, so you guys could actually learn about HNT, because they're trying to be a little bit different than the rest of the market, because they are leveraging the T-Mobile network, which is now partnered up with SpaceX. So essentially, sat phones for everyone. And all the gaps that Helium has, they make up for it with their partnership in T-Mobile. So anyone with the Helium phone, theoretically, you're going to have the T-Mobile network to play with. So yeah, imagine that. HNT, I think, is highly undervalued. Highly undervalued. All right, yo, what's up, Jin? How you doing? How you doing? All right, let's check out Flux for Phillip. We are now getting into all the requests. Hopefully you guys are sticking around for your requests. That would be great. H-bar, please. Jin, we just covered it. It was just before XRP. We just covered it, brother. Not trying to sound gay and shit, but I appreciate your stream, dude. DZ, I appreciate you saying that. honestly, because you know there are plenty of people who would just not give a damn about the stream or any other content. So I do appreciate the kind words. I really do. And noted, with my son around, oof, y'all better realize I might just spend some time with my son and be like, I'm out. No, I did promise I will go live every day of this bull run, and by Jimmy John, I'm holding true, damn it, except for that one day that I missed. But hey, I missed one day in the past how many months? I think I'm doing pretty good. HNT looking serious? It is. You saw the video? Thank you, Bradley. I'm glad you saw it. Bet. Yeah, Jen, if you could just rewind a little bit, that would be great. H-bar, it just looks like it's struggling, to be honest. It looks like it can go down a lot. It really needs to break some resistance, but it's looking bleak out there. That's dedication. Yo, I have been live. Just check the lives, and you'll see I've been live every freaking day for a long time. And it's gonna just keep on going. I tune in every day, bro. Always entertaining, man. I'm glad you're entertained. I am glad. What if the bull run doesn't end? Well, it's gonna be rough on me, isn't it? It's gonna be rough on me. I'll probably end up taking some time though to like move and shit. What time do you usually come on live, Porky? Right now? Right now? It's like every night about 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Pretty much every night. I'm shorting, so it's lit. Can I do some Ponky? Sure, we can check out some Ponky. Right after we finish with Flux. Oh shoot, I don't know if you know, but you can't set a stream alert for your views. That will alert them the time you're live. What? I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't even know how to do that. So a stream alert? Yeah, I have no idea how to do that. I'll have to figure that out. Thanks for the heads up, DZ. That does help. Anyways, so right now for Flux, we were in a downtrend. I thought we were going to go lower. We didn't. We broke to the upside. So now, Flux, you do have the opportunity of greatness. And I literally mean that. This is a beautiful falling wedge pattern that you have broken bullish out of. You have a measured move to the upside. All you need to do is hold support. And currently, your support is sitting at 4071. If you can hold that, 108% upside is your target, getting to 84.99. The problem with Flux normally likes to take forever to get started, as you can see from this back here. You had your breakout, you didn't want to back test, but this breakout was November 25th. You didn't start your move up until February 7th. This took 4 whole months before it decided to start rallying up. So you're going to have plenty of time to accumulate. That's all I'm really saying. So, yeah, Flux looks great for that 108% upside, but I cannot tell you when it's going to go. No idea. This could take forever. So, yeah. Porks, it's time for you to get some admins. We already have some admins, not going to lie. I'd love to add my name and possible job. All right, Jen, all right. Don't worry, I might add a couple more. We will see. I do like to add the people who are here very often, and they are engaging a lot. So, yeah, we will see what I decide. I appreciate you throwing your name in the ring, though. I appreciate that. All right, so this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the 108 to the upside. So basically, it's set an alarm for your subs that you're going to go live at 8 p.m. PTSD. It will alert your sub. Oh, really? I'll see how to do that. I will see how to do that. All right, so that is Flux right now. 4 hours looking like it's pretty hot, so you're thinking you're going to consolidate a little bit. You're almost in that overbought territory. Checking out your 1 hour time frame. 1 hour you did get overbought, so you would look for this nice pullback, maybe even a back test of the 4071, and then we'll see what this thing's made of. It could take a day, could take 5 months, but 108 is your target. All right, moving on, we have Ponky. So checking out Ponky here. We are trying to move up really well. Nice. You do not have bearish divergence. Beautiful. Philip, thanks. No problem. I'm just a fan. What can I say? Well, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Don't worry, Rich. Nobody's trying to steal your job. They're just trying to be with you. All right? Anyways, so Ponky right now just tested some resistance at 15,797. You're still in your downtrend, which is kind of a shame, but it is fully in play for you to be able to get that golden retrace right now, 23,193, but you still have a lot of resistance to fight through. Could take a while to get there. Anyways, 1 hour, looks like you want to consolidate a little bit. Your 4 hour time frame. On your 4 hour, you have retaken your 50 and your 100 simple moving averages. Things are looking pretty good for Ponky. Looking pretty good. The only problem is, if you're trying to get into a trade now, you're going to have to wait. You're definitely going to have to wait. Because at this very moment in time, stop loss needs to be all the way down here at like 8592. So pretty deep for a stop loss. I don't think it's worth the risk just yet. Wait till you get a little more consolidation up, banging up against this resistance, because then that will let you know a breakout's coming soon. Happy affiliate anniversary on Twitch. Yo, thank you so much, Chewy. I don't even know how many years it's been. I want to say it's been 5 years that I've been affiliated on Twitch, but I'm not sure. Dark side is the only side? Wait, what? He said the dar side. Dar. Anyways, thank you so much, Chewy. I do appreciate it. I feel like you were there the day that I went affiliate on Twitch, too. So I do appreciate you. All right. So right now, on the daily, Ponky does look like everything is pointing in the direction. You should see this move up to 23,193 and a formal back test of your 50 simple moving average. It would be good. Would be very good. It's possible, right? I ruined the joke. You definitely ruined the joke. You killed it. It's destroyed. It's never coming back. What is going on over here? Alright, so that is Ponky. I'm going to move right along. We got ABT, and we have a nice little mixture of different things you guys want to find, so this is going to be great. Got some stocks in here. We got some, I did not want that at all. Okay. Wow, ABT is just playing with your emotions. Oh my goodness. You have a bearish dragonfly. You didn't fall any further. You're holding your support. Oh, hard to think. Thanks, Boo. I appreciate. Oh wait, what? There's like one more after this. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay. Love you. Love you most. Wife brought me food and a Pepsi, cherry Pepsi. You know, it's funny. Recently, I saw that whole like Coca-Cola thing, and all the people who are trying to like not be happy about it. Which I was like, huh, weird. Oh well, I just happened to like cherry Pepsi. I guess I'm a part of the movement now. Let's all be weird together, right? Where's the baby mom? Oh, I was like, what do you mean? Baby mama just walked out. What are you talking about? Baby is probably sleeping because he just got done eating. So baby's sleeping. I'm sorry, we're gonna have to get like a lit stream in here. We need like at least 100 viewers for me to really want to bring the little guy out during nap time. Or not even nap time, sleep time. He only takes naps. He has to wake up like every 3 to 4 hours to eat, so must be nice, bro. Seriously, all I was doing was being his bottle cleaning bitch all day, and I'll tell you what, like he's living the life out there. Alright, so ABT, we are still waiting for the breakout, and they are just not letting it happen. They're really not letting it happen. So right now, you are fully in play for being able to fall down to 624. Understand that for ABT, it is a very strong possibility, but If you do get a break to the upside, 76% upside is your target. Looking at this on the 4 hour, it's just, you came up just high enough to be able to fall further. I don't understand what they're doing. They're playing with your emotions. They are playing with your emotions. You even have bullish divergence, just non-stop. Bullish divergence. Someone's buying. The breakout will happen eventually. We just don't know when it's going to do it. Right time to pull your weight. I mean, yeah. You know, it's funny. I hear about some guys and they're like, oh, I don't do any of that baby stuff. That's the woman's job. And I'm like, bro, they are sleep deprived. I'm surprised you're not getting shot or stabbed. That is crazy. That is crazy to me. So, yeah, I help my wife as much as possible. And then they turn 1, and all of a sudden, I'm just useless. It doesn't matter. So put in the hard yards now. 1 year. We can put in the hard yards. After that, it's pretty simple. They're eating more regular things. It's good. What's up, Porky? I'm new to the channel and Discord. Where do you send requests? Well, Jason, you're in the live. You can just request now, but in the Discord, there's a tab that literally says chart requests, and you can just put them in there. But Jason, welcome in. Welcome in. Glad to have you. Thank you for subscribing, and hope you enjoy your stay. We are all about the entertainment, and if you happen to have some money flow into your account from all the wonderful entertainment that we provide here, well, that's on you, brother. That's on you. Because I never give financial advice. Never. Anyways, never mind the joke. Went over your head, bro. It's okay. It's alright. I'll do you a solid. What do you want? I'll request it for you since I'm a member just this once. You can see how cool it is to be a member. I mean, that's true. Becoming a member, you jump the line. You don't have to wait in the queue. Anyways, for Bonk right now, you're retaking your 50 simple moving average. You're holding on to support. Bonk has the opportunity of running up 39% right now. Your 4 hours says you can do it. It says you have the height, you got the strength, you've been lifting in the gym. It is time for you to start seeing some gains, baby. So Bonk right now does look like it's gearing up for a move to the upside. This thing has burned me so many times, I'm not even going to think about trading it. But right now, perfect rounded bottom here. You're just looking for this thing to spike on up. About 39%. BNX, you want to check out some BNX, alright. BNX is going absolutely insane. Not sure why you want BNX, but sure. We'll look at some BNX. Alright, so that is Bonk right now. We're looking for about 39% upside. This thing could rip to the upside as soon as tonight because the market just doesn't seem that bearish right now. It just seems like people don't know what to do because we did have a hot CPI data today. Anyways, let's check out BNX. I don't care what the other Jin says about you. You're a cool operator. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm just a chill guy. Alright, so BNX right now, we do not, and I repeat, do not have to worry about hidden bearish divergence because we cleared all the highs. This is absolutely beautiful. Noted, you are overbought. So, you're expecting some consolidation right now. You could come as low as... Damn, you can come really low. Holy shit, hold on. So, first off, you'd expect to backtest your 200 daily moving average. These are just expectations. I'm not saying it will happen, but this is a great time to take some profit considering how overbought you are. I mean, you went literally from oversold to overbought. So you're expecting a bit of a consolidation. To start with, an ideal world that actually makes sense in the trading world is, oh, we'll see a 50% retrace getting back down to 6174. Maybe we come down to 5735. Maybe. We're in upside down world, so that's probably not going to happen. What I would expect, though, is to get a test at least to the 7427. That would make a lot of sense. You now have distinct bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Damn it. It could have canceled out. So I don't know. Maybe you have bearish divergence on the 4-hour. Normally, if you do make a high than your previous highs, it would cancel out the bearish divergence. So this literally could just hit 85.1, tap it, and start running. Just keep that in mind. It definitely could happen, just like it did for XCN. So I don't want to get caught off guard again with that one. But if that does take place, you're looking for moving up to $1.31. Yo, what's up, Nikita? How you doing? God bless. God bless. Anyways, if you can actually touch this 85.1, that is where you'll be seeing if you hold support or not. If you do not, you have another level below you, 7427. But how weird the market has been moving lately, you definitely could see a tap and run. So if it does that, you would be looking for upside, something around 54% upside. Absolutely crazy. God bless your newborn, bro. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Well, I timed that ADA short perfectly. Who would have guessed we would bounce off the top of the range? Hey, that's great. I love this community. It's so chill. The more chill, the better. Actually, I think it's because I get a little ragey at the people who are dumb. But you don't have to rush this request, but some Pengu, my good sir. We'll check out some Pengu. I understand what you said, but understand how the rules work. Anyways, yeah, so we could see a move upwards of 54%. In an ideal world, you would see this thing come down 34% before running to the upside. Kind of have to be on your toes for this, considering how low you were. You're coming off of literally nothing, and I have no idea what news sparked this, but considering the weird movements we've seen in the market, I'm starting to think maybe that 54% could play out. Especially because you do not have bearish divergence on the daily yet. So a nice formal backtest, maybe as low as the 200 daily moving average at 7872, and then running to the upside, it's not out of the cards. Totally could happen. And then if you break that 128 level, you're basically going into price discovery to the upside. After that, I mean, hey, sky's the limit right there. Sky's the limit. Be chill side of YouTube? Maybe. I think I have had used mod powers one time, including Discord. To be fair, I get all the notifications directly on my phone in Discord. Every time somebody starts like spamming into all the different... Oh my god, I just ban them instantly. I don't even think about it. I don't read it. I just notice they're spamming in multiple channels and I'm like, oh, it's bullshit. Block, ban, delete everything. Screw that person. Anyways, that is what I see out of BNX. Let's go ahead and check out Pengu. Hopefully that helped you out. Jason, hopefully that helped you out. Because, yeah, you do have support sitting right underneath you. And if you do hold support, 54% more upside could be coming your way. Anyways, going on to Pengu. Pengu is rounding at the bottom. Go figure. Starting to round at the bottom. I would not say it's bullish divergence, but I would say you have the opportunity of going up and testing that 50 simple moving average. Maybe, just maybe, you could get a golden retrace. So based off your daily and based off how oversold you are, what you're hoping for is that 50% to 618. So maybe you see Pengu go up something like 165% upside and testing not only that 50 simple moving average, but also overhead resistance. This could work. You gotta believe. Gotta believe. BTC dumping a bit. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Noted, BTC is on a fresh breakout. It could just be getting a back test. It's no big deal. No big deal yet. I mean, we have had a lot of fake outs. So, there is that too. But yeah, Pengu right now on the daily looks just fine. Let's check it out on the 4-hour. 4-hour time frame. You did? Yeah, you got bullish divergence. You're waiting for the higher low. Nice. Nice. Man, that is subtle too. It's like a double bottom. but you can distinctively see the higher level of relative strength, so you're expecting this thing to get a higher low and then start moving to the upside. Based off your downtrend that you've been stuck in for a while, we could argue you're not quite broken out. Oh no, you are broken out. You are literally broken out right now. So yeah, we're going to see what happens on Pengu, but you could rally at least 165% to the upside. That's crazy. That's wild. Sounds like a meme coin, baby. I really don't want to keep jumping in front of the other requests, but I need some on Jail Stool. Oh, Jail Stool. Unless you have a $5 dono with you, I'm sorry. There's no way I'm going to Deck Screener. There ain't no way. So, so don't worry. You're not jumping in front of anybody with that one. Did it get holy shit, it actually got listed with the euro? Oh my god. It got listed on BitGet? Damn. Alright, I guess we're like checking out Jail Stool. What? That's crazy. The problem with this is like it's such limited data. So odds of me being wrong are very high. Just keep that in mind, but I'll do my best. Anyways, BitGet picked this thing up, and we have 2 levels of support and resistance. So that's a thing. And yeah, you're currently pulling back. Let's go into the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. You do not do. You technically have bearish divergence, and you're pulling back, baby. Noted, this does look like a rising wedge as well. So you can see the rising wedge pattern right here, plain as day. And so we have a measured move to the downside. So if people are panicking based off of the fallout backtest, we could see 52% downside on this move, possibly even touching that 299 level. Currently speaking, for the measured move, you still have 41% downside for Jail Stool. Go figure. I didn't know that it would have a pattern, but it does. Go figure. Was not expecting that. Anyways, moving along. DGen. That's all I see out of Jail Stool, honestly. Dave said he would hodl till 500 million market cap. That is wild. That is wild. Alright, DGen is at its decision-making point. The problem I see here, on the 1 hour, you are very high on your relative strength while hitting your demand line. That is going to be a battle. Checking out your 4 hour. 4 hour has some legs. Oh boy. Your 4 hour is just accumulating. Maybe you come down and you touch the 50 simple moving average on DGen, but it looks like you're about to get that nice 44% move to the upside for DGen. Wow, all you need is the breakout. And with the breakout, just stay above 3769. That is all you need to do. But it does look like you are getting ready for that break to the upside. I don't know how long it's going to take you. But if this full moon plays out, this thing could go nuts. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing out of DGen. Not looking bad right now. And then if you do continue, you're looking for the golden retrace, of course. And right now, that golden retrace is going to look like this. And you could see price rallying up to 10768. Dang, that's actually a lot. That's a big move. That's 155% that is possible if you break out of this downtrend. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Anyways, that is DGen. Looking pretty solid right now. Just needs that breakout, needs a back test. And then you're cooking, baby. You're cooking. Now, let's go ahead and check out Toshi. Toshi's catching a very good bounce. Holy moly. I did not expect this. Wow, checking out your daily. You came awfully close to that 50 simple moving average, and you got a very strong bounce there. Wow. So as long as you stay above 6659, this thing could rally big time. And I mean big time. Holy. Yo, Jason, thank you so much for becoming a member. Priority member, meaning You are above all the regular members out there. So if you start requesting for things, you are going to jump above the other members. I do appreciate that. Thank you very much. You're absolutely amazing. Thank you. All right, looking at this to the upside. Oh boy, that higher low. That's beautiful. Hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Oh my gosh. Toshi looking good. Looking really good. Nice reset. No bearish divergence. You could make another leg higher. So your possibility here, you could see this thing rally up. What? 339%. No idea how long that'll take you, but you could see this. Checking out your 4-hour time frame. Let's see a little bit more realistic levels for a day trader's idea here. No bullish div. Okay. So now we're going to look to test some support, apparently. Let's go into the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. You do not have bearish divergence. Okay. Turbo. All right. Turbo. Got you. 314. Turbo. Got you covered on Turbo. Long C. Gotcha. So, looking at the 1 hour, we are waiting for the 1 hour to reset. I would love a bullish backtest right here, and then give me some MACD hidden bullish divergence. That would be an ideal situation. But I don't think we're going to get it, because it's just too darn bullish out here. It's crazy. And there's no hidden bearish divergence either. You cleared these highs. Beautiful. Porks will be at 20k subs in the coming weeks / months. Mark my words. Jin, I don't know. I don't know if I deserve it. Hardly anybody sees my videos. I don't know, man. We'll see if I can get lucky enough to do that. Actually, what I am doing is I'm making a book. And it's going to be an audio style book that I'm going to load onto TikTok as well as YouTube. I'm going to make a separate YouTube for it. And I'm going to see if the book can hit 10,000 subscribers before this channel. This channel has a way longer time of being able to grow than the book does. But I think the book lovers, they might like it a bit more. Maybe if you guys request it, I will play the intro for you. And you guys can tell me what you think of how this story could pan out, what your minds do. I shared it with my wife. My wife's like, keep writing. I want to read more. I was like, okay, all right. You're like, no. I'm really wondering what you're going to write in this thing. Holy crap. So, those of you who don't know, my mind goes kind of weird. Trust your content is top notch, and I watch a ton of shit. Your TA is amazing. Give yourself some credit. Nope. Always plan for the worst and hope for the best. That's what I do. Plan for the worst, hope for the best. Just like I do in trading. That's why you'll hear me say bearish stuff all the time. Anyways, right now on your 1 hour, you're looking for a bit more consolidation on Toshi. Let's go into your 15-minute. Let's get a better idea. Man, there's no bearish divergence to be found. Holy crap. Anything this thing does is bullish. So, for the scalp trader out there, what you are looking for is going to be a bullish backtest right here at 6659. And from there, your next move, you could be seeing the possibility of 59% to the upside. Believe in the me with you believes in you. What? All right, thanks, Jin. I appreciate it. I appreciate the kind words. So yeah, no, this Toshi looks really bullish right now. I mean, like, really bullish. It's weird how bullish this thing looks. But hey, if the market allows it, Toshi is about to fly. Be ready for it. Anyways, moving along, let's get into XCN. Now, XCN, I don't feel good about XCN. I'm going to be honest with you. I just think it's overextended, and I'm freaking right. It is overextended. So, you did get a breakout, yes, but you are already finding a ton of resistance. It would be way better if you, at a minimum, come down to 140178. That would be nice. That would be realistic. What are we doing here, traders? Anyways, your daily kind of wants to go up. I'm thoroughly surprised by that. Your 4 hour got oversold. That makes more sense. Looks like if you had a stochastic, though, it would be at the top. You're finding resistance on this downtrend right here. So I think I can get rid of this one because it doesn't matter at the moment. This is what we're looking at right here. Let's check our 1 hour. 1 hour time frame is not giving us bearish divergence. It wants to break to the upside. What has XCN been doing? Who's giving it crack? Jeez, just won't go to sleep. My goodness. That is crazy. No bullish divergence at all. Hidden bearish divergence is formed. All right, I think you're still going to go down. This is my idea because you do have hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour. From this peak right here, you were not in oversold territory. This peak, which is a lower high, it does look like you tapped into that overbought territory. So I would think you're going to come down and find some support. Your support level is sitting at 140178. And let me see how this looks on the fibs. So looking at it on the Fibonacci, yeah, that's just a bearish 5-0. You could see yourself anywhere between touching support here or touching support down here. I would be looking to short this. I would not be looking to go long. That's just my personal opinion. You could see 44 to possibly 63% downside. Let's see how that lines up with your daily. That would be just underneath your 50 simple moving average. So let's just say you test that 50. 44% downside is a possibility. If you do not go down, you're looking for 633762. And that's no BS. That is your next overhead resistance, 148% upside. I would be looking for downside. That is, personally, I would be looking for downside. I wouldn't feel comfortable trying to take out a long right here. I would love a test of support. You broke through this level and you never tested it. I would look for a back test of support. Good afternoon. What's up, Harry? How you doing? And it is nighttime for me, sir. It is night. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing out of XCN. Let's go ahead and check out Dome. 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 I've never looked at this chart, so this is going to be fun. Let's get our levels first. Let's see what we go. Holy shit. I love this chart. I love this chart. Dome looks good. It needs some work, but it looks damn good right now. So whoever requested this, good request. Great request here. You have bullish divergence on the weekly. That beautiful. I love that. It is downright attractive. I'll tell you what. Downright attractive. Holy. These are levels I care about. There we go. All right. Let's go ahead and go into the daily. Yeah, bullish divergence on the weekly. It's a very hard thing to find, but man, do those play out great. They are phenomenal. When you end up seeing the entirety of the market falling, you all of a sudden are like, hey, why is that thing not going down? Bullish divergence on the weekly. Oh, nice. You just got a death cross on the daily, though. That's unfortunate. You could come down and test this 1491 once again. It is a possibility, so keep that in mind. But this thing looks pretty decent. Pretty darn decent. Let's check out your 4 hour. Chila D-A. What's up, Chila? Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Can you take a peek at Proppy? Sure. I got you covered. I got you covered. All right, now looking at this on the 4 hour time frame, you got a little overbought. Looks like you're getting some bullish consolidation. No big deal. No big deal. The reason why I say that, no bearish divergence has been found. Not at all. First request. Damn, that's your first one? That's crazy. That is crazy. You've been here a few times. That's your first request. Wow. Your next leg up. You could see this thing rally up 32%. Beautiful. But, of course, you're going to be looking for that golden retrace. Let's be honest. So, with the golden retrace idea, holy shit, this thing could be crazy. You're going to be looking for a 190% move to the upside. This is set up to be absolutely amazing. It's doing its stretches. It's buzzing its hair into a mohawk. It's getting ready for war. War to the upside against the shorts. This thing looks really good. I do like Dome. I really do like it. Well, let's go ahead and check out Microsoft. What is Microsoft's ticker? MSFT. That's what it is. Yeah, I chart up myself, but looking to grab a few positions. Oh, nice. Nice! I'm glad you chart yourself. I feel like I'm being proofread at that point. Damn, Microsoft not looking great on the 4 hour. What happened? Oh my god, what? Oh no, that's really bad. Oh no. You had a 3 consecutive, oh boy. And you lost your supply. What did Microsoft do? Oh my Lanta? Oh my Lanta. No, that's not good. That's not good at all. Check out their weekly. Were they really that overvalued? I mean, were they? Sheesh, brother. Sheesh. Is that really like your closest support? Oh my gosh. So, Microsoft, sayonara. See you at 345. Hopefully you hold. Dang, brother. Wow, looks like XCN is going on its revenge mission to the upside. That is wild. Anyways, yeah, so on your weekly, you had bearish divergence, and you got a lower high. So now you have put in a brand new downtrend. That's a shame. That is a shame. You didn't want that. Not at all. Oh my god. Oh no. Probably gonna make it down to $335. Probably. You got another 18% downside from Microsoft. Who did Microsoft piss off? Holy crap. I don't know who they made angry, but man. They don't look good right here. They really don't. And you got plenty of room to the downside on the daily. Plenty. Even the scalp traders are getting happy about this one. They're looking for 382 at least. Sheesh. It was just an inflation report. Come on, stock market. It wasn't that bad. It was off by 0.1. It wasn't a big deal. But here we are. We're looking at the possibility of not only stagflation, but more inflation? Ugh, not good. All stocks are pulling back. No? Oh, yeah. It's because Fed, they're sitting there talking about they don't want to lower interest rates. And with that being said, it's turning into, they're like, but the jobs market. Are we going to ignore the jobs market now? And the Fed's like, yeah, pretty much. It's like, oh no. Oh no. I'm just saying what Wall Street's worried about. That's not me, brother. That's not me. I know the jobs market is screwed. So it's kind of a good thing that Trump wants to bring in all these tariffs, because the Fed was not going to help at all. The Fed actively was trying for 2 years or 3 years straight to get rid of jobs. So now that we have, we're going to bring manufacturing back to America. So we're going to have jobs again. That's good. So that will help. But we needed to take effect. Until then, it's just going to be poopy-doopy, non-stop, terrible, absolutely horrendous. Oh, and then not to mention that inflation report today. Apparently, there were things that got revised to a positive direction in the past, and that's why this inflation report looked so darn bad. So it was like, oh, wait, things were better back then, so now our inflation looks like it's rising even more now? Oh my god. And it's creating shockwaves through the stock market. But of course, crypto got a nice bump because Bitcoin is known to be a hedge to inflation. So it's like, okay, it's kind of a hit or miss. Like, what? All right, I mean, it's good, it's bad. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Alt season is delayed. That's what happened. But anyways, I digress. That's Microsoft. Looks like you're about to see 18% downside unless something changes in the stock market between tonight and tomorrow morning. Looks like the sell-off will more than likely continue. Anyways, moving along, we got Pi Network, which, okay. Pi Network. What do we normally look at? Bitmart? It moved. Holy crap. It did something. Wow. So can people trade this thing now or what? We got the nice breakout. We got the back test. It hit resistance and we are back to support at 54.70 because, you know, we weren't there long enough. Damn. So, Pi Network, we did it. We saw a move for 2 days. Let's hope that this holds. Let's hope that we can start seeing some more upside because honestly, it's like, how long are we going to sit here? What are we doing? What are we doing, bro? Let's go ahead and check out the 4 hour. See what we got. 4 hour, all that happened was you got overbought. You're starting to round out at the bottom now. Let's see if we can get a measured move out of this thing. If it continues, you might see this thing rally up to $131 for Pi Network. It is a possibility. Do I believe it will happen? Not really, but it could. It really could. Am I going to buy into this thing? No. No, I'm not. But hey, anybody who's holding it, I do really hope you get this 117% upside. Because let's face it, this thing was more stagnant than XRP. Like, holy crap. That is wild. If this pie ain't cream pie, I don't like it. Wow. Wow, DZ. I didn't know you swung that way. That's crazy. That's wow. Okay. All right. We learned something new tonight. All right, let's check out Hood. Robinhood should be doing very well. Honestly, should be doing very well. They have a bunch of crypto trading, so they should be just fine. Looking at our weekly, we're overbought. That's too bad. We are overbought, but we are above 54.85. We really do have to see what the week ends with, because if we can end the week higher than 58, we then could flip former resistance into support, and Hood could see the highest prices ever. It actually makes the most sense for it to go up to all-time highs. So I'm expecting more upside out of this. We got to see what happens on the break. But yeah, it's looking pretty decent right now. If it does decide to pull back because it's a bit overbought, you might see yourself back down to 47.69. Do not get alarmed. Do not get scared, because you should see the price rally up to 68.68. So we're going to see what happens with this one, but yeah, Hood looks pretty darn good in my opinion. Looks pretty darn good. All you have to do is stay above 42.79 and you are bullish as hell on this one. This looks good. So that's Hood. Let's go ahead and check out B3. B3. Where did I look at this before? I know I looked at it somewhere. Dang it. Who had the most data? Was it this thing? No. Damn it. CoinEck? No. Oh, boy. Screw it. We're just going to look at it on Bybit. So, not much data here. B3, it shot up. It went into the stratosphere. Not very much data here, but we're just going to mark out the resistance and your inception price. So, let's go ahead and drop down to your 4 hour. 4 hour, not much to go off of. Relative strength really high up in that bullish control zone. No idea if you had bearish divergence or not. Sub everyone. What's up, 000? How you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. Checking out your 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. We got overbought and we pulled back. No big deal. This is bullish consolidation apparently. Wow. Actually, it's really bullish consolidation. What the hell? All right, B3. You have this beautiful little symmetrical triangle at the moment. You could see more downside, of course, but if you hold support here, this is really bullish consolidation. Noted, could go up, could go down. But yeah, let's check and see what it looks like if you do go up. So if you do go up, you could see this thing rally up to 28457 if you go up. If you go down, well, I have no idea where you're stopping, honestly. We could look at a couple areas in which you could find support. I'd start right there at 6479. B3 first base gaming project. Is it really? Too bad gaming's not really taking off, so that's unfortunate. This could go crazy if the gaming sector was actually like doing anything. But I think it might be too early. Yeah, exactly. It's just too early. They must be liking the content tonight, Porky. I don't know, maybe. Just D Lords, how's going? I'm doing good. How are you doing over there on Twitch? How you doing? I might take $20 chance. I mean, you can always take a chance. Worst case scenario, you're expecting this thing to go down like 50%. So what? You lose $10? Darn, that's one less Happy Meal. If you can afford a Happy Meal at $10. I don't know if $10 is enough for a Happy Meal, honestly. I've been boycotting McDonald's for years. But that's what I see out of B3. Not much to look at, not much data. So we did our best. Render is next. Render is next. So checking out, Render, come on, you gotta break out and stay out. What are we doing? Anyways, 1 hour, it looks okay, but it doesn't look great. Your 4 hour, same thing. Looks okay, not great. Good, but I'm going to India for exchanging my money. Wait, what? Why are you going to India? That's wild. I don't understand. JB, thanks. No problem, JB. No problem. Alright, so right now on the 4 hour, this is looking pretty bleak. You tested it once, you tested it twice. You are bearishly backtesting it once again. This is leaving you wide open for downside. So understand that. Render, we're going to give you a bullish and bearish case. Bullish case, Render gets its act right. It learns how to fight. It picks on its bullies instead of getting picked on. And then you could see this thing rally up to $6.54. But if it keeps getting bullies, it stops drinking its creatine, and it doesn't even know what protein is. It forgot what the gym looks like. You could see 32% to the downside. So Render, it really does have to make a decision. I would be leaning toward the upside because you did just retake your 50 simple moving average on the 4 hour. But you know what? You keep wanting to be the wimpy kid. You might as well just go get your day job because you're never going to become a pro at anything. Maybe you'll work at Dairy Queen. It's fine. It's fine. At least it's not McDonald's. But Render, yeah, you got some work to do, Render. You got some work to do. Get it together, brother. Let's check out your daily. Let's check out your daily time frame. And daily looks like you want to move up. So I am leaning more to the upside because it looks like a recovery is needed. Even if you're bearishly backtesting something, get that 40% move, feel good about yourself, and then die off later. But anyways, that's what I'm seeing out of Render. So let's make sure that you can break out. Let's make sure. Anyways, moving right along. But yeah, just D Lords, why do you have to go to India to exchange money? I'm very confused by that entire sentence. But anyways, checking out Uniswap. Brand new chat in the house. It's done nothing. Nothing. Turns into a layer 2. All it could do, bullish engulfing day, and currently backtesting your 200 daily moving average. That is all it's doing. Great. Should I supplement creatine? I need more daily energy. Creatine will not do anything for your energy outside of when you're lifting. It'll help you get that extra 2 to 3 reps that you're looking for. That's really all it's going to do for you. If you're looking for more daily energy, start with upping your zinc, magnesium, and God, what the hell is that other one? Vitamin B3. Start with those. The zinc, it's going to help you with your overall health. Magnesium is going to help you with getting better sleep. and the B3 is going to help you with your energy. Uni look like render. Yeah, Uni just, ugh. And that's such really good news, too. But the better part about this, great rounded bottom, retook that 200 daily. Now you're looking for more upside. So this thing should see that golden retrace, getting a 50% move to the upside from where it's currently sitting. Uniswap, I am looking for that 14.89. Problem is, you got to stay above $8.15. So if you're not already in this trade, you're kind of SOL right now because you're in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, that's what I see out of Uniswap. It does look good. It looks very bullish. It looks very cute. If out there like riding its tricycle while I was a kid and the ice cream man came around, I'd buy it a Choco Taco, you know? I'd do it. But outside of that, we'll see what happens. You're still in your downtrend. You got to break that downtrend also. Got some work to do. All right, Uniswap, you're done. You're done. Popcat. Popcat looks freaking good. I'm surprised. We got a nice break to the upside. I believe somebody in the chat mentioned that it was going to be listed on Coinbase. They said tomorrow. We'll see what happens. You could see a 346% move to the upside out of Popcat based off what it's doing right now. Can I look at micro gold futures again? What was the ticker for it? I forgot what the ticker is. But yeah, sure, we can check it out, James. How you doing today? How you enjoying being 21? About to hit your first weekend and Valentine's Day for 21. How are you excited? Are you excited about that? $25. What's the most bullish coin from tonight? Probably Kava, you know, trade I'm in. I don't know, actually. Probably Popcat, if I'm being honest. Popcat or Toshi. Popcat looks really good on the daily. Let's check out your 4-hour. 4-hour, it looks all right. Are you still below your 200? Shit. Still below the 200. That's kind of a disappointment, but it doesn't look too shabby. I'll admit that. It doesn't look too shabby. I had a pretty bad week. Bag holding gold. Dang. That mean you don't have the cash for drinks? What are you doing? Good lesson for a 21-year-old. Oh boy, here we are. Here we are. Popcat got listed on Coinbase. That's wild. That is wild to me. But yeah, Popcat looks like it's about to make its move up to 4199, but I'm still seeing that 346% upside move for Popcat. This thing could go nuts. Could go nuts. But remember, it's a meme coin, and you're in the middle of nowhere. Just keep that in mind. My dog Porky ain't opposed to a nice stripe club. Strip club, sorry. I think strip clubs are a waste of time. Waste of time and money. Why would you pay extra just to not be able to do anything with it? It makes no sense to me. I had plenty of times going out to Vegas with the boys and they're like, let's go to the Spearmint Rhino. And I was like, why? Why would I go to a strip club in Vegas? That doesn't make any damn sense. Link, ICP, and Velo. Alright, got you. I got you covered. Crispy lifestyle. Got you covered. But yeah, I don't know. I don't like strip clubs. I went to a couple. I don't like them. I just felt out of place. Can I recap H-bar? Sure. Sure thing. Alright, 4 hour doesn't look that bad. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour is a bit overbought. I would look for a bit of consolidation. Yo, HQZ, welcome back. Been a while. How are things? What should you do when in Vegas? Sidebars. Go to the sidebars. If you're going to the clubs, you're going to like the really hyped, no, go to the sidebars. They are the best time you'll ever have. Just go to the sidebars. So much fun. Every time people are like, oh, let's go to the club. Oh, no, I don't want to go to clubs. I want to go to sidebars, damn it. I wasted my 20s on strip clubs. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Because, you know, they don't really like it when you waste the singles or the fives. House Jenkins, thanks for the T-Mobile, Starlink, Helium info today. House Jenkins, no problem. Thank you for watching. Honestly, thank you for watching. I mean, the fact of the matter is, we get way more views in live streams normally than I do on the videos, so I do appreciate you watching. Yeah, so Popcat, I would appreciate a bit of a pullback here, just to stop being so overbought on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Once you get that nice reset, this thing could get ready to fly. Noted, it is a meme coin. It doesn't have to play by the same rules. It could start going at any moment in time. But yeah, Popcat, I'm pretty bullish on. It looks really good. All it really has to do is stay above 1539. As long as you stay above that, hey, you are cooking to the upside for Popcat. Looking good. MGCJ25. That was not right. MG. There it is. MGC. Mini gold futures. Look at that. It's going up. I could fart in a balloon and it would go higher than helium. Oh my goodness. No. Helium, actually, it being partnered up with T-Mobile right now, it looks like it's going to do absolutely amazing, honestly. Looks like it's going to do absolutely amazing. So, looks like we did not get the pullback I was hoping for. Holy crap. Gold just continued to the upside. That's crazy. You're still overbought, but that's crazy. Did you miss Soul? No, you didn't. Rune, Sid, Socks, got you covered. Rune. Nope, we're almost to it. Almost there. I gotta cover Not, and then I am on Soul. Sorry, it's just the members started requesting a bunch of random stuff. So that's what's taking so long, Brad. Sorry. But yeah, I'm still looking for a bit of a pullback. A touch of support would be nice, but it looks like gold doesn't want to stop for anybody. So I guess we do need to see what higher options are, which it could be going to 3,116. So keep on bag holding, baby. Keep on bag holding. It's just going. No kidding. My break even is all the way at 68. Wow. Wow, what is a good upside target? Or should I just get out? No, upside target you'd be looking for is this 3,116 level. Looking pretty good. Oh, it looks like Popcat's trying to start moving up too. Not bad, not bad. Anyways, this thing looks pretty darn good. Pretty strong. Didn't want to pull back while being overbought. So you could see it just keep on going. Also, with more inflation data and things looking rough, gold's probably going to do really well. So yeah, I think holding gold, not a bad idea. It's really not a bad idea. Anyways, going on to H-bar as a quick recap. Quick recap for H-bar. We are still looking at downside because it doesn't know how to get its act right. Technically, you did have a bullish engulfing candle, but as long as we're in this downtrend, it is fully in play for you to test 17,152 or get even as low as 7 cents. But if you do mosey on to the upside, you could see yourself going up to 55 cents. So, due to the micro contract. Yeah. Remember to smash the like. Trade Intuition said it. I believe in it. Yo, what is up? How you doing? Welcome in. You have 20K in gold. Not bad, not bad. Hope everyone's doing well. Pepe, please. We'll check out some Pepe for you. Pepe. Got you covered. Alright, so that is the quick recap for H-bar. Let's go into Not. Whoops. Alright, Not. Wow. You are oversold. Boy, oh boy. You are really low, too. That's kind of a problem. No bullish divergence either. Yikes. Yikes. So we saw a lot of downside. A lot of downside. I remember when the hype was there. The hype was there. Just the follow through wasn't. It's such a shame. So you're looking for that oversold bounce. Hopefully you get a golden retrace. You could be looking at something in the neighborhood of getting back up to 7310. So this could rally on up. Something like 131% is possible. Let's check out your weekly. Let's see. Weekly looks like there's not enough info. Let's check your 4 hour. Do we have the bullish div? No, we don't. Nowhere to be found. We just have consolidation, but you did retake that 50 simple moving average. That's a good start. It's a good start. You also have a nice little uptrend that you want to maintain until you break out. So as long as you keep this uptrend, you're looking really good. If you lose it, well, NOT could keep going down into the abyss. And we actually have no idea where it'll stop because it'll be price discovery to the downside. So as of right now, until you break this uptrending level of support, I'm going to say you have a possibility of 131% upside. But if you break it, good luck to the downside. It's going to be rough. The ride will be rough. Just restaked the origin address, has 30 days, has 250 billion hex in the wallet. This move may yield away from current hex stakers, but makes the ecosystem 2 times easier to pump. Interesting. Interesting. So what you're saying is he's gaining more hex because he has full control over it. See, I think that's why a lot of people don't like hex. He has too much control if he can do that. Nobody likes that. So yeah, darkest days for NOT. Your bearish case, you could see 83% downside. Most YouTubers take about 10 to 15 minutes to read comments. Some take 20 to 25. A few that watch take over 25 minutes to read comments. And they skip most comments, but not you. Wow, that's crazy. You're the fastest when it comes to reading comments. I'm pretty fast, but you make me look like I take a long time. You are a beast. I'm no beast. I'm just an average guy. But noted, the gaming world, they are way more needy than the investment world. The gamer world, they're just kind of like, pay attention to me or I'm out. And it's, oh crap. And that's where I started all of my streaming. I was playing games. Do you know how hard it is to be in a sweat fest and actually talk to somebody in chat? It is tough. It is very tough. Talking to you guys while looking at charts, it's like, oh, it's easy mode. It's great. I love it. Anyways, checking out Solana on the daily. We are not doing good. It is still in play for us to go to the downside, but today they tried to push the price back up. We are still below our supply line, which that's a real problem. We could see this thing drop even lower. Yo, Crispy Lifestyle, thank you so much for becoming a premium member. Wow, you are the top dog in here. You request shit. What did you request? Because now I got to go into all of them. Whatever you request, I have to look at first. Thank you so much for becoming the premium supporter. I do greatly appreciate that. Thank you. And hopefully, through my insights and entertainment, you end up making at least $10 worth of value. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you. Also, make sure all members in the Discord, link your Discords to your YouTube channel. And also, if you're a Twitch subscriber, make sure you link it to Discord so then you guys can get to the members-only chat and do all that stuff and things. All right, so you wanted link, ICP, and Velo. Got you covered. We will be checking that next. Got you covered. We appreciate, no, I appreciate the hell out of you. Thank you. My lifestyle is super soggy. Super soggy? Whoa, what? How do you make it crispy? Tell me. Oh, got it. I was like, I missed something. Hold on. It locks it away for 30 days, making it untouchable. Oh, nice, Rich. But still, it's like, God, he has so much power. If he has that many tokens, it's wild. So we've been letting my daughter hold our son, and man, she is having a wonderful time holding him. Oof. She is super excited about having a brother. Super excited. Is this a Head and Shoulders on the 4 hour? Oh, damn it. Yeah, Solana looking like a Head and Shoulders on the 4 hour. This is not great. I guess with Ethereum having lower gas fees, Solana's starting to lose some steam. Okay, it's not a Head and Shoulders because this is too high. But, man, that doesn't look good. That does not look good. It looks pretty bearish to me. That is a bearish 5-0 if I've ever seen it. I'd be leaning way to the downside. Going down and testing 177 could be in the cards. Damn. All right, bearish case. We could be going down as far as 168. But your bullish case, see you at 250. You got to get a breakout, though. Come on, Solana. Pull it together. I hold a lot of Solana, so I'm very biased when I talk about Solana. So understand, when I say it's going to go down, it sucks for me too. Yes, I took a lot of profits, I know. But I still want it to go up. Damn. Sorry I had to say it. That's pretty funny. I would love for Sol to fail this cycle. I don't think it's going to fail, but, you know, it has had its issues in the past. All right, checking out Link next. Checking out Link. So Link right now broke above resistance. Beautiful. So Link, we are still fully in play for a 40% run to the upside, getting to $26.21. This is what we're looking for Link. Link is looking pretty damn good. 1 hour, you're sitting in neutral territory. Looking at your 4 hour. 4 hour just retook the 200 or the 50 simple moving average. Looking pretty darn good. I think Sui's going to be the soul for next bull run. You're right. I believe that too. Lost a soul hate. Wait, what? Lost a soul hate in chat. Lots of soul hate in the chat? I don't know, maybe. I don't know. I like Sol. I do like Sol. I just know that they have their problems. We in Pulse Chain community like it. It's sort of like Satoshi owning 1 million BTC. People know those BTC are as good as burned. Yeah, maybe. I'm heavily invested in base tokens and medium and ETH. Well, makes sense, HQZ. You're like a rival to the Solana network. Noted, the XRP army is just gonna say XRP is better for reasons. Because banks use them sometimes in a dark alley when no one's watching. Sorry. I had to play devil's advocate. Had to. Alright, so right now Link does look extremely bullish. Looks like you're about to see that 40% move to the upside. But noted, you're still in this consolidation here. So once you get out of that consolidation, Link could be way stronger to the upside. Looking for that $43.97. That's really what you're looking for. But in the shorter term, could have a 40% run. Could do it. Next up, we have ICP. ICP. Actually, I haven't looked at ICP in a few days. Let's see. Oh, God. So, right now, ICP did one good thing. It broke above its 50 simple moving average on the 4 hour. Outside of that, you're still being held down by resistance, and you're still in both downtrends. On the daily, I'm guessing it looks better. Yeah, daily looks better. You're too deep in that bearish control zone. You could see a rally up to bearishly backtesting that 200 daily moving average, which is about 25% upside. This is a possibility. If you can get above $7.33. If you cannot get above $7.33, I'll see it $5.20. So let's hope that the market stays bullish tomorrow and it doesn't start pulling back, because it could be bad. ICP took a shit on the back of the bus. Disappointing. It really did. It fell bad. Lost its supply line. It's rough. It's rough. But there's still a possibility out here because of the rounded bottom. You go up and get that bearish back test. Noted that 50 simple moving average in the next day or two. You're gonna get a death cross. So keep that in mind. With the death cross in play, you're more likely to see $5.20. Keep that in mind. But we're going to have to wait and see what happens. Anyways, Velo. Velo, not Velodrome, I'm guessing. So, Velo right now. We are looking at... We are holding the 200 daily moving average, but we are still getting held down by this level of resistance. You have plenty of room to the downside. You could go to the upside. It's kind of a weird scenario here. Let's check out your 4 hour. 4 hour, it looks like it's just downtrending a little, but you're making higher lows. So as long as higher lows are in play, gotta stay bullish. You do not have bearish divergence, so you're expecting this to be bullish consolidation. Meaning we should see this thing continue to the upside, possibly getting to that golden retrace. Another 42% to the upside is possible for Velo. Doesn't look bad right now. If things do go south, you could see this thing right back down to support at 13871. So just keep an eye on this. If you start getting some lower lows, that's when you're looking at 31% to the downside. Right now, I'm leaning bullish. I think a breakout's coming, but we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. Gonna have to wait and see. Your 1 hour time frame, it looked fine. You're above all your moving averages. Momentum is leaning your way. Could be good. Could be good. So yeah, Velo, I'm leaning bullish. The only one out of those three, ICP, has a ton of work to do for me not to think it's about to poop on your hopes and dreams. Just a lot of work to do. Anyways, checking out Turbo. Can I type? All right. Turbo, not bad. Not bad. Bullish divert. Hit. No. Take it back. No bullish divergence. I take it back. There's no bullish divergence, but you're doing very well holding on to support right now at 35197. You are not, and I repeat, not above that 50 simple moving average on the 4 hour. That's a problem. That is a big time problem. You don't want that. Going into the daily, though, you're completely overextended to the downside. I mean, completely overextended. So you're expecting this thing to actually catch a strong bounce to the upside, but you did get a death cross. So that is kind of the shame. You got your death cross right there. It happened. So now it has a decision to make. Are you going down to a 11.423, or are you going to go up anyways? We're going to have to wait and see. But the longer you hold support, the better. So right now, I'm going to lean toward the upside, even though I know better. But I'm going to lean to the upside. Maybe you get this 43% move to the upside right here, just to go up and get a little closer to your moving averages. But remember, that death cross, that's a problem for every coin. The death cross normally plays out. The golden cross on altcoins sometimes plays out. For the most part, it doesn't. But sometimes plays out. As long as it lines up with Bitcoin rallying, it's like, hey, the golden cross did it. Right. So, yeah. Anyways, this is what I'm seeing out of Turbo. If it does fall, yeah, 11423 is your target. And it won't be fun. Positive upside, you're looking for 43 or even 88% moves to the upside. We will see how it goes. What the fuck? Okay, someone requested to be my friend on Facebook. I'm getting popular. Anyways, that is Turbo. Let's move on. We got Proppy. By the way, if you guys are wondering why I didn't go into lower time frames, it's because it's sitting directly on top of support. It's either going up or down. There's nothing else. Proppy. There we go. We got Proppy. Wow, we're almost done. Beautiful. I can get back to the book after this. Wait, by the way, chat, do you guys want to hear the intro to the book that I'm having AI write for me? With my ideas? Yeah. And my proofreading? Actually, it's proof listening. But I don't know. If you guys want to hear it, I'll play it at the end of the requests. Proppy looking interesting. You want to hear it, Rich? Actually, Rich, I feel like this book might be right up your alley. If I'm being honest, because you like the whole alien thing, but it might be right up your alley. It's like a sci-fi fantasy. How do you get AI to write a book for you? Oh, brother. Made a lot of money on this coin. AST? Oh, last year? Did you really, Chewy? Show us the trailer. I don't have a trailer. You made a lot of money on this one last time? Proppy? That's great. I wish I did. I didn't know about this coin. What a weird downtrend. Weird downtrend. You got your death cross there. Weird. Yeah, hoping you back in. Yeah, hasn't felt right yet. AST good. I don't know what AST is. Well, positive. You have bullish divergence on the daily. Bullish divergence on the daily. This thing is ticking off the first marker of a good time to jump in. I'm going to mark this off like this because of these crazy wicks. This is your downtrend. You have a low, lower low, higher relative strength, and now you're getting that higher low. This is good. Checking out the 4 hour. This is really good. You have that bullish consolidation. Beautiful. So, this thing could very well see a move to the upside. Its next RWA. Oh, that's what this thing is. Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah, RWAs, they're going to do pretty well in my opinion. I think they're going to do extraordinarily well. You're looking at 62% upside move for this one. It lines up perfectly with golden retrace and overhead resistance. You're looking at $1.5672. This thing looks pretty good. Yeah, real estate, title transfers, and something like that. Wow, I need to do some research on this bad boy then. Strictly invest in RWA. You strictly invest in those. Interesting. I didn't realize that would be a play for some people, but I guess it's the same as going into real estate. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's your positive movement. You could see out of Proppy a 62% move to the upside, but you have a lot of work to do. So it's probably going to consolidate for a lot longer period of time, but it looks pretty good. Anyone have big Valentine's Day plans? I know I do not. We have a brand new baby at home. Me and the wife are not doing a damn thing. It's going to be great. It's going to be awesome. I love it. I'll probably end up making her a sandwich or something, you know? Like, thanks for loving me. Thanks for dealing with my shit. Alright, checking out Rune. I don't know who wanted Rune, but damn. Rune has been absolutely devastated. Part of the real world, even in the meta. I mean, hey, it's okay to be a part of the real world, especially with real estate prices constantly going up. It's a good idea. It's a good concept. I love it. Alright, so if Rune actually decides to go up and it stops selling off because you're hitting your all-time lows here, this thing could BTC bear trap. Boyd, I'm not sure if it was a bear trap, but I do see BTC moving up a little bit, and I think it's partially because it is a hedge against inflation, and I think Wall Street is now looking at it as such. That is my idea. You have no bullish divergence. You have no bullish divergence on Rune. So this idea is hopium. Just keep this in mind. It is hopium. It is not really an idea that should play out. You could see it go up 237%, but understand, you're only bearishly consolidating because you got oversold. Currently, you're getting more buying pressure than you have in this entire run to the downside. I mean, if you look at the MACD, this is not a good look. This is hidden bearish divergence at its finest. So your daily's looking pretty bad. It's looking like Rune might see some more downside. Kind of hate to say that, but it is a possibility. This is what happens when you stop being able to pay whatever loans you had. This is a problem, and I think they also stopped paying out on staking. Real problem. Hopefully you find Preemie close easier than I did. I cried in the store when I finally found some. Everywhere was sold out. Yeah, we did find preemie clothes. We found them pretty quickly. My wife, she was on top of it. It was like, oh, we need preemie clothes. Next day, got them. I was like, damn, found those fast. So I didn't even have to try, but you know, she found them. It was great. It was awesome, but man, I know what you mean though. Hardest thing we had to find were the preemie diapers. Peace all. Have a good night. Chewy, have a great night. I appreciate you stopping by. And thank you once again for the happy affiliate anniversary. I do appreciate that, man. Hopefully you and the family are doing well. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Alright, so now looking... Oh, God. This looks so bad. You're overbought on the 4 hour already? Let's hope for some brighter upside. Let's hope. Trump wants to return to the gold standard, I guess. When did that come out? Holy shit. Ondo and H-bar? We literally did those right at the... not Ondo. No, we did. We did Ondo and H-bar at the beginning, Eric, but we can loop around at the end if you want. Hey, bro, can you check Wink came out today on AVAX chain, and it's a deck screener. Looks really good. Debating if I should go heavy. But went crazy to 400 million market cap. Thanks, bro. Rex. So if it's on deck screener, sorry, we do have rules here where yeah, sorry, it's a $5 dono for me to even check it out. But if it went to a 400 million market cap the first day it came out, just from personal experience, you might want to wait for it to pull back. You just might. Beautiful pullback. Went up to your first level. So right now, what you're looking for Rune is to get up to this level right here. Another 15% move to the upside is what you're really looking for. A test of that $1.77. That is your bullish case. But that's about the only bullish case I can give you, because this project did something real bad. Unless they got news otherwise, it could see another 75% to the downside. So yeah, be careful if you're trying to buy into Rune. It could get real dangerous. What you really want to see is a break above 177 and then get a back test as support and then a higher low. Until all of that happens, I would not touch this thing at all. No, Kent went to 400 million in a month, but this coin Wink is at 55 million in the first 6 hours. Oh, okay. First 6 hours. It just came out. First 6 hours. Yeah, I would definitely wait. That's just my personal thing. I'm not going to say it won't go up or anything. It's just when brand new tokens come out, especially if they're meme coins, and they go up that fast, I usually stay away. But hey, if you feel like gambling on it, I mean, doing TA or anything on it, it's not going to matter. It's too brand new. I'm sorry, Rex. It's just too brand new. TA does not work on that. It is strictly Hopium and the community behind it. So if you join their Telegram and it seems like everybody's hyped up and you like the energy, go for it. But 55 million in the first 6 hours, I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole. I would wait for it to come down and then see if everyone's fighting inside of the Discord or the Telegram or whatever. And if they are fighting, I'm still not buying it. But if they aren't and they're like, hey, we got Hopium, we're going to be doing well, I would still let it sit for like another 4 days, make sure that it bottomed out, and before I bought in. That's just kind of how I like to play with the meme coins, but I never tell anybody else what to do with them. Alright, checking out our last request here. Oh wait, we're still going to loop back to Ondo and H-bar. Oh boy. I don't want to be mean, Rex. It's just, if it came out 6 hours ago, for me to look at it, no offense, it's really pointless. Where's my Pepe Hopium? Well, we're about to go to Pepe. I find that TA, like higher highs, lower lows, still kind of work for brand new coins to an extent. The only problem with it with brand new coins is as soon as they sell off and then they just like consolidate a little, a lot of times somebody will panic and they'll just sell it. And you'll be like, well, that wasn't in the cards. Damn. The only reason TA works is because a lot of people trade it. And until that happens, it's kind of like, we'll see. All right, Pepe, you broke out. You broke out. Beautiful. You are broken out. What the hell TikTok am I on? Oh, I'm on that TikTok. Got it. If you own it, I mean, yeah, that's true. If you own it. So right now, for Pepe, we could very well see a move to the upside. We could see it get up to 41% upside. Oh, actually, what's still on it? 35% more upside, getting you to 1351 based off this holding of support. Keep in mind, now that you're broken out of this downtrend here, you could get another test on support. Very well could happen. Head and shoulders on Pepe? Is it? I mean, is it? I don't know. Because if you're looking for a head and shoulders, you're going to be looking at the daily here, where I don't really see it. I don't know. It just looks oversold. That's really all it looks like to me. Just oversold. QNT, please. All right, Crispy, I got you. QNT. Looks oversold, and this 35% move to the upside kind of lines up absolutely perfect with a bearish backtest up to the 200 daily moving average. So I don't know if the head and shoulders is in play. It looks a little more like an oversold bounce and a possible backtest coming. If it gets a little more crazy, you could see a 102% move to the upside. What is that, you might ask? I believe that is your golden retrace from high to low. Would you look at that? It is. So we could be seeing something in the realm of that. Noted, you do have a lot of work to do, because just because you get out of the local downtrend doesn't mean you're going to get out of the longer term downtrend. So just remember that is still sitting there, and you're likely to go up and test it. So Pepe doesn't look too terrible, but if you lose 860, I'll see you at 541. I'll see you straight down there. That's a little over 43% to the downside. So yeah. Let's go into QNT. QNT looks good. Looks really good. Moving on up. You're about to hit some overhead resistance. We'll see what happens once you get there, but looking pretty good. Let's get rid of some of this. Let's move this out to here. Here. This is our current downtrend on the daily that we'd be worried about. Do we have the... No, we don't. No bullish divergence to speak of. That's too bad. That is too bad. Anyways, so right now, if you get a breakout, and this is a big if, because you are making some ground on that relative strength before breaking out. Jeez. Anyways, looking at the 4 hour retaking the 100. Very nice. Very nice. You have the possibility of some upside. You do have the possibility. I would have loved some bullish divergence, though. The fact that we didn't really get it, we just got consolidation and a move up. Let's see what happens, but we could see a golden retrace from high to low. QNT is a hard one to read, I'm not going to lie. So if you do break out, you could see yourself go up 40% if you break out. But understand what that comes with. You could see this thing bounce around in here for a while, break, touch some resistance, and then come back down here again. This could take all the way out until like March 9th to play out, and then start moving to the upside. So I would expect a lot more consolidation, but I mean, it doesn't look really bad until you end up losing $76. So you're looking just fine right now. And if it does break to the upside, I mean, a longer, more extended move, you could see this thing move all the way up to $241 if it is bullish as a second leg up. And it's very possible. It is very possible. So yeah, we're going to have to wait and see on QNT, but you are not broken out right now. And I'm not comfortable saying it's going to go up right now. I think you're going to consolidate for a bit while in this downtrend, which sucks, but it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, let's do a quick little recap on Ondo and H-bar. So Ondo right now, you are, looks gross. You're fighting to try and like stay above resistance, sitting at 137.95. If you can end the day above it, stay above it, you are in the mood, or you're in the capability of going up to $2.03. The big boys are accumulating it. You're hoping they don't let it drop again. But if you lose it and you do not get above this and you stop trading sideways, I'll see you at $1.08, maybe 97 cents. And if it gets real ugly, I'll see you back at 76.99 as a test of your supply line. It is completely in play as long as you are still fighting to take this level of resistance. So Ondo, it has some work to do. It's trying, but it has a lot of work to do. Going into H-bar. Do we have any hope on ALB, please? I will check that out for you. I will check that out for you. Real quick, recapping on H-bar. H-bar still in this downtrend, so until you break the downtrend or get above 25 cents again, it is completely in play for you to come down 17 cents, 11 cents, even as low as 7 cents. Good night, David. I appreciate you coming in. Hopefully you have a wonderful night's sleep. Take it easy. Can I look at Servy 2, Porky? Sure, we'll check out Servy. Sure. All right, so this one, to the downside, it has a lot of downside. And noted, when you broke out, you never backtested that 7 cent level, so it wouldn't even be weird if you came down there. Fact of the matter is, what was once acting as support is now acting as resistance. So you would be thinking you're going to see more downside here. So until you break above 25 cents, we're staying bearish. We're seeing more downside. But once you get that breakout, hey, 55 cents, 57 cents, you could see some crazy moves to the upside. You really could. All right, going into ALB, and then we will go into Servy. So ALB. HQZ, alien base. Oh. What the hell? Okay, app lovin' too. App lovin'. Okay, alien base. ALB ETH. There we go. Found it. I found it. All right. So we were looking for that 53% move to the downside. We almost got it. Almost. But are we putting in a higher low? Really? Not getting to support. Jeez. Because actually a profitable company too? Wow. Meme coin. Wait, I'm so confused here. App lovin'. James, you have typed so much stuff. I can't keep up here. All right. Anyway, so looks like we got a higher low. I am thoroughly surprised. So alien base, from the looks of it, the death cross might be irrelevant. Who knows? Who knows? We might be looking for that beautiful golden retrace. The higher low is what is giving it to you. Yo, what's up, Johnny? How you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. So we could see this thing rally up to the golden retrade. Holy shit, 177% upside is a strong possibility with that higher low. Watch out for the death cross, though. Let's check out your 4 hour. No. 4 hour. 4 hour time frame. We got bullish divert. No, we didn't. Double bottom. Higher low. Okay, no big deal. No big deal. Okay. Wow, am I getting tired? Nice. Yeah, so in the shorter term, we're looking at a different golden retrace here. You could see 44% to 177% upside. That is wild. Absolutely wild. So yeah, that's what we're seeing out of Alien Base. I didn't think it would actually look this good. In the trenches, are you trading meme coins, Johnny? Is that what's happening right now? You trading meme coins? So ALB, nothing bad to say. Your bearish case isn't even that bad anymore. If you do go down 32% downside, hitting some support, which you should have hit anyways, but you stopped early. Twice. So it's looking pretty damn bullish. 44 to 177% upside for Alien Base. That is crazy. All right, Servi. There it is. Serve. Robotics. Indeed. Well, Johnny, I do wish you the best of luck when it comes to those memes out there. You heard the man. No, I heard him. All right, so checking out Servi, checking it out on the daily. Daily's looking pretty solid right now. Looking like you're retaking that supply line, which is absolutely great. Let's check your weekly. Let's see if you still have some legs. So we can get rid of the supply line. It doesn't matter because you held support. You're not overbought anymore. Oh my. Not overbought anymore. Got the 50% retrace. Oh shit. This thing could actually run up to $34. You're breaking out of a downtrend as well. This thing looks really good. This looks really good. I think you just got a bullish backtest too. Damn, brother. Bullish backtest after the breakout of the demand line. This is solid. This is really solid. This is what you want to see. So now all you got to do is maintain above this demand line. You could see this thing rally up to 34.12, maybe even higher, but 75% upside is your target. That's amazing. Who would have thought a stock could look this good? I don't know how long it's going to take you to get there, but it looks really good. I mean, that was your play out of the bearish divergence. What a joke. I'm so used to crypto. Oh my god. I was thinking like, oh, bearish divergence, see you at $7. It's done. But no, here we are. Higher low and everything. That's beautiful. App lovin'. There it is. There it is. App lovin'. Let's check it out. Broke out to the upside. Beautiful. Didn't even get that pullback you were looking for. That's too bad. So we're going to look at this just like this. All right. Next target, 580 for app lovin'. 580. That's what happens when you don't pull back far enough. You got a short. It's like, oh, they were just looking at this right here. Great. You got to the 618 at least. Now you're starting to mosey on up. You are nowhere close to being overbought. You could see 52% to the upside for this asset. Not bad. Not bad. Check the weekly. Weekly got super overbought, but you could put in some weekly bearish divergence with this next move, which it would mean a great time to take a little bit of profit. Possibly. I don't know for sure, but could see some upside. All right. That is all the requests for the evening. Now, for those of you who wanted to stick around to listen to the intro of my book that I'm having ChatGPT write for me, we're going to go into that, and then I'm going to sign off and continue working on the book. But yeah. So here we go. If you guys are ready to listen.
Got it. I'll push the timeline much further into the future to reflect the 2,000 plus year lifespans and incorporate the delayed reproduction aspect, which has altered human DNA and led to these supernatural abilities. Here's the revised introduction. The year is 4874. Humanity no longer fears death. The advent of the C-Yori vaccine, once hailed as the pinnacle of medical advancement, eradicated disease and granted regenerative abilities. Wounds closed in moments, and even fatal injuries were reversed. What was meant to ensure health and longevity instead reshaped the course of human evolution. Centuries passed, and those who lived for thousands of years began to change. Abilities once thought to be the stuff of myth, telekinesis, elemental control, and the mastery of ki, became reality. These powers did not emerge from the CUR alone, but from the slow transformation of the human genome. With immortality secured, people no longer rushed to bear children. Generations stretched across millennia, and with each cycle, evolution sculpted a new breed of humanity, one attuned to forces beyond the physical. Yet, with no natural end, a new dilemma arose: purpose. For many, war became the only escape from eternal existence. The strongest warriors now seek the ultimate release: true death. But even that remains elusive, achievable only when one's ki and energy are utterly depleted while being completely overpowered. Otherwise, those who die find themselves in an alternate plane, a battleground where only the greatest fighters clash. Victory means absorbing the strength of the fallen. Defeat grants a chance at eternal rest. Our story begins on Earth, where our first protagonist comes of age, learning the art of war and survival. As they train, they will uncover not only their own power, but the true cost of existence in this new age of mankind.
So that is the intro of the book that I have been making. And noted, don't just have the intro, I got the first few chapters going already too. Yeah, my wife says she likes it so far, and I don't remember what chapter I'm on. 4, 5, 6. So I've gotten to chapter 6 already. And yeah, there's going to be multiple books. But yeah, this is the idea that has been cooked up in my head for a while. And now thanks to AI, I'm going to freaking make it. Because I want to hear the story. So yeah, is what it is. Anyways, guys, other than that, I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to finish eating my dinner. And yeah, I'm going to work on that book. Because I don't have anime to watch right now. Kind of is what it is. Anyways, guys, I will be back tomorrow. I do appreciate each and every one of you for coming out. For those of you who did become members, please do me a huge favor. Make sure that you told it would be a mix of Alien and anime, didn't you? Yes, I did. And once it gets to the Alien, so the premise, Rich, it's going to be every planet as well as habitable moons in the solar system. So yeah, there will be alien people, but they're all based off humans and the change in their DNA because yeah, when I make the book, you'll see. Well, not just one book, but it's going to be a lot of books. Yeah, it's there's a whole factory going on up here of ideas of how this thing's going to pan out. But it's going to be good. It's going to be good. But yeah, everybody, I do appreciate you. If you guys are members or if you're Twitch subscribers, make sure you guys decide to link your Discord to your either Twitch and or the... Enjoyed the intro. Good luck, my fellow writer. Oh, no, thank you very much. I'm not really a writer. I'm utilizing AI to its fullest. But noted, you have to critique it a lot. Otherwise, it just won't get the ideas right. You had me at hello. Oh, boy. You're an amazing guy, Porky. Bless you and your family. James, thank you so much. I'm not amazing. I'm just a random dude out here with plenty of thoughts, and I like to live by the seat of my pants. It is what it is. If you ever want to do something, just go do it. Just figure out how to do it and get it done. Gotta go, but see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, James. Have a great night. Enjoy your evening. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all have a wonderful night's rest. Also, when I decide to make the YouTube channel that will be reading this book as an audiobook, as well as making the TikTok that will be reading each thing chapter by chapter, I'll let you guys know in the Discord. So you guys, if you are interested in it, you can end up hearing it, reading along, whatever. But yeah, if my wife likes it a lot, who knows? Maybe I'll produce the book on Amazon or something. But as of right now, these are just free-flowing thoughts, and I don't even know if people like it. But I know I like it, and I'm the one writing it, and I actually can't wait to finish it. Because I'm on book 1, and it's going to be probably 20 books by the time it's all said and done. Maybe more. We'll see. It's gonna be a whole series, and it's man. But you just know when you want to get the thoughts out. That's really what it is. All right, guys. Hopefully you all have a wonderful evening. I'm gonna get on out of here. You guys take it easy. I do appreciate each and every one of you, and catch you tomorrow. Deuces. Keep those stop losses tight. Catch you later. I'm writing a philosophy book. Let me know if you need a beta reader. Wow, philosophy. Shit. B-Rock, I hope you're in Discord. Might want to chat it up with you.